Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what is in the November Creative Kit Club box. So many goodies in this one, it's really hard to know where to start. Let's start with the Scrap Studio collectibles. These are just divine. I love this collection so much, so beautiful. We haven't had Kaisercraft paper balloons for a while, so we've got a packet of those in there. This sweet little designer template by Kaiser, which is a grungy look because this is a very grungy girly kit. Some ink to use with that template from Kaisercraft again. Some Uniquely Creative champagne bling, and I'm just going to try to show you the shine on that one. Super cute. Packet of doilies. Some double-sided satin ribbon. A Uniquely Creative die. This is a little lace die that is makes adorable little lace that you can actually keep lining up on top of each other. Some Kaisercraft wooden flourishes. All of those leaves and little treasures in there. We have got our laser cuts. Now we have used this butterfly on a couple of projects, so you can buy more of these if you want to. They're on our website for $4 each. We've got our magazine, lots of projects and ideas in the magazine with all of your step-by-step measurements and your step-by-step photos like usual in our magazine for both the cards and the scrapbooking layouts. Some alpha stickers from Kaiser, like this kit just keeps on going, hey, the kit that keeps giving. We have got the the cut apart sheet, which Kasha has designed for us, which is adorable. A couple of extra sheets of paper from the Scrap Studio collection. Look at those butterflies. Had to have those, didn't we? And of course we've got some craft cardstock and a couple of sheets of white, I think. Yep, a couple of sheets of white. And the Scrap Studio paper pack. So that is what is in this box. All of that for $49.95. That is well over $80 worth of product in this kit. We had Tanya Ridgewell on our design team this month, and you can see Tanya has inked up that gorgeous laser cut here. That's one of her layouts. And Maria Aloisi. This is just divine, this vintage layout. We've used 2 dies in our kit this month. This one here and this one here is 1 die. It's called Chunky Lace. And this one here is our music sheet texture, and we'll show you those at the end. They're our 2 add-ons. This is one of mine, and again we've used those beautiful lace dies, the one that comes in the kit and the other one. And you can see there's lots of layers in that one. This one has a YouTube process video for it. This is one of Kasha's. Now this was a cool fun day. There's me and there's Kasha, in case you ever wondered what we look like. And there is also a process video for this one as well on our YouTube. Another one of Tanya's. Look at all these beautiful layers with those gorgeous dies. This is another one of mine. This is my beautiful friend Sky. She got married last year. And this is the music sheet texture die again. Another one of Maria's, that gorgeous butterfly. And another one of Kasha's. Look at that. Kasha did a pink layout. Very un-Kasha. She even put herself on it. Okay, let's take a look at the cards. Let's start with this amazing little one that Shana has made here. There is instructions on how she made this in the book. Isn't that divine? So many sweet cards using the dies and everything in the kit. I'm just going to quickly go over them all again. Shana, Kasha, Maria, everyone has done some cards. Tanya. And they are just amazing. Okay, let's just take a look at the 2 add-on dies that you can add on to your kit. This one here is what we said before is the chunky lace. Those 2 dies go in there, and you can actually cut these out and then overlap them to make a nice long piece of lace. Kasha has designed it that way. They are $17.60. Fabulous price on this one. We really tried to keep that price down for you on those 2 beautiful dies. And this is the sheet music texture one. Also, again, $17.60, and these are really, really strong dies to be priced at that. Anyway, that is our November kit. It is up on our website for sale from pre-order from the 1st, www.uniquelycreative.com.au, and we'll see you next time. Bye.